Hi everyone, today I'll be showing us how to edit our video on TikTok. So now let's go. The moment you're on your TikTok, pick the video you would like to edit. So we'll be picking this video. You click on next. When you click on the video, which is this video right now, then you click on here. You click on it. You can see I muted the volume when you are out, so we could hear my training. So the moment you play it will play the video for you when you are out. Now let's say you would like to cut off the part you don't want. You click on the video called split. You click on it, you click out and you touch that part. You can see it has highlighted it. You delete it. Now let's play it again. So start small. It has taken away the part I don't want. Now let's add words on this screen. You click on that part. Now you can type. So I'm going to be typing here. By the time I'm done with this, I'll then reduce it. You just use your hand and reduce it. You want to put a background on it like this, the color, whatever color you prefer, then you push it up and then you position it properly. Then you now touch here, this part, you just touch it and move it. Can you see what I'm doing? Just move it to the end, so it will be on the screen till you are through. Okay, can you see it? Then the next thing we'll do, let's say you would like to add music to the background. You can also add music. You can see sound. So with this sound, you can add music, add sound, sound effect, voice over. You can add any of this. Okay. Then if you would like overlay means you want to put a picture. Let's assume I would like to put this picture. Let's just say I'm putting this picture. Okay, this is overlay. Can you see it? So it will be playing. Now listen and watch. So start small. So have you seen it? That's how you put overlay. But I don't want to put overlay. I just wanted to show you. Then the next thing we'll be looking at is if we want to rotate it. Here, rotate. Okay, so if you click on it, it will rotate the way you want it to rotate. You've seen it here. Now what do you use adjust for? You use it to put brightness. For example, let's say I want to brighten this place more. I just click on it and brighten it more. Have you seen it? Just leave it that way, or just a little, because it's already daytime I did this video, so the video has brightness, but I can just put a little if we want, and you leave it there. You can put contrast, saturation, sharpness. You can put sharpness if you wish. You can put shadow and so on. Just try everything, and when you're satisfied, you leave it that way. Then the next thing we'll be looking at is voice effects. Let's say you would like to add voice effect. Let's see what voice this one will be. So let's see the voice effect.
So start small.
Can you see? Can you see that with the voice effect, I changed the voice of the person speaking, but I don't want to change my voice. So I will go back and I'm going to be removing the voice. So just click on the voice and click on undo again, and you have successfully removed the voice. So let's try it and see again. So start small. And when you're through, when you're finished putting everything, you can also put sound. Okay, add sound here, and you just click on it. Have you seen it? And you click on it and it's going to come here. Then let's see what it will be. Watch it, everyone. Have you seen that there's a sound but it's very loud? So what do? You click on the sound itself. This sound. You click on it and you reduce it. So go to the volume. Okay? And you click on it and you reduce it. Reduce it to very little sound. So let's play it and see. Increase what you're doing. You can see that there's a background music there, but it's very low. That's the best. Let the music be silent and your voice be more. So this is how you edit your video on TikTok. You can also decide to reduce this volume as well. You've seen it, so that it will not be too loud as well. So start small. So let's play it and see. So start small, step by step. So that's how you edit all the parts you don't want to see, and voila, you're done with your video. You click on next. You add your description, very important. So remember your description, how to become a teacher, trainer, or a coach. Okay, you're going to copy it because you still need it. Then for hashtag, you put hashtag live, hashtag TikTok live, hashtag teacher, and so on. Then you come to here, you click on edit. When it opens, you come here. Look at this part, I'm moving. You pick the one you would like to have. So let's say I would like to have this one. You click on it and then you paste what you have just copied. You position it properly here and you're done. So you click on save and you click next one, which is post. I've seen it here, which is your post. You click on it and it will post it for you. So you're done. So if you look at it, the video we have created. So start small, step by step, increase what you're doing. You'll be glad you did.